So is this what you imagined? Is this what you had planned?
Buddy, this is what I've dreamed about every night.
Dreams about spruce trees every night.
Every night.
Man, it is dusty. A lot of dust eaten and inhaled here. And yeah, back everyone to another Dirty Diggers video. In today's video, we're going to be planting some trees. Now, this is for a friend of mine that I actually knew since elementary school, named Joran, who runs a wedding venue business here called the Bradford Barn. As you saw from the drone footage, the place looks amazing, and this is early in the season before he's actually gone through all the gardens and lawn maintenance, so can only imagine once he does all that how nice this place is going to look. He's also contacted me knowing that we're in the landscaping business. He'd like to acquire some trees to put in a driveway edge along his driveway and parking lot area. He has plans to expand that area due to his business doing so well over the last few years. Obviously, a lot of people have had their weddings here or ceremonies here and had a great experience. So his business has been doing really well. For that reason, he's asked me to come in and plant some trees for him because he has plans to expand his parking lot. We're going to freshen up the look by planting some trees down the driveway and do some clusters of spruces along the parking lot area. Here's a quick little time lapse of my route that I had to go on. So this is from when I dug a hole all the way over to our stockyard where I dropped off the dirt, grabbed the next tree, and back across this farm all the way back to where I was planting them at the wedding venue, and then repeat the process over and over. Now you may notice some of these trees are not the most full trees. That's due to them growing in our stock of trees. They grew a little close to each other. So I've worked it out with Joran, and we don't believe in wasting any trees. As you guys know from our whole tree salvage operation, we like to give every tree a purpose, even if we can't use them on job sites due to certain criteria. But between myself and Joran, we've agreed to use these trees there and give them a purpose and also let them thrive now that they'll be further apart from other trees. So got all our spruces in around the driveway, and now we're just gonna call it a day here. Getting pretty late, so that's our last hole there for the day. From here on in, those holes going forward now, that's gonna be all maples. So yeah, we're calling it a day now. Got all our spruces done. Got the last ball dug there. Today's a Saturday and doing this over the weekend, so it's 7:30 on a Saturday, and then tomorrow's Sunday. I'm gonna hopefully finish this up. Again, it's for a friend of mine, so doing this on a weekend and when I have some time, because now we're getting a little bit busy with work. But yeah, so we're trying to get it done, and hopefully tomorrow we can wrap this up for him, get all the maples in, do a bit of grading, and finish this project up. Man, it is dusty. It's a dusty ass road across the farm there. Well, we got it in here. It's the next day. That's the last maple here. So we got a row of 10 maples all planted up the driveway here. Got our 20 spruces we did yesterday. That's this all done here. Again, 10 maples, 20 spruces. Whole driveway line done. A lot of dust eaten and inhaled here. And yeah, now I gotta get the skid steer, do some grading, and level it all up, and then that's it. We're all finished up here. So I gotta get the other skid steer and do that now. Okay, so now it's hard to tell with the sun here, but this is the driveway entrance here after we planted all these maples along the driveway. Once these actually start getting leaves and blossoming, this will look a lot nicer. And then here you have all the spruces, the clusters we did. We try to put them in patterns. So we've got 2 clusters of 3, then a bigger cluster of 5 in the middle, and then 3 other clusters of 3 towards the driveway. I think it did actually turn out really nice. Once we complete this grading job here now, it's going to be the final thing. Again, this is for future plans to expand the parking lot here. And ooh, look at that slow-mo. All right, so I'm here with my buddy Jordan, the owner here of the Bradford barn where we're doing all this tree planting. This whole tree line we've got done here. So Jordan, what are
Buddy,
you
are
thinking?
the best goddamn skid steer operator I've ever seen in my life.
All right, let's settle it down. Let's settle it down. Now you put pressure on me. They're gonna be like, look at that, those up and downs.
Look at those up and downs. Look at the grade.
So is this what you imagined? Is this what you had planned?
Buddy, this is what I've dreamed about every night.
Dreams about spruce trees every night.
Every night.
It's been this lifelong
I have
dream.
the spruces. Now my dreams are complete.
Right on. I went to high school with this guy. I've known him for a long time, so he's always talked about one day in the future I want that nice long spruce line.
Now we got it.
We got it. Many years later.
Many years
Dreams
later.
achieved.
Dreams achieved. Don't give up, kids.
Yeah, believe in your dreams. Well, yeah, so that's just it. We're wrapping up the grading here. Just about done. And we're gonna call her a day. Got all the trees in, got 20 spruces, 10 maples that we saw already. And yeah, just got a little regrade on the parking lot to do once we're done. So Jordan doesn't complain about the bumps on there.
No complaining.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Adios.
Well, just in case you couldn't hear with all that wind noise, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please slap a like on that. It really means a lot. And also, if you're new, subscribe. And as Jordan said,
Adios.
exactly. Take care, everyone.